What's our address here again, Dean?
7103
34th?
34th Avenue Northwest, yeah.
According to the line here at 7103 34th Northwest. Date is December 30th, excuse me. We're looking at the main there. You can kind of see it flowing by in the top right side of the screen. There's a pretty good size offset at this last bell connection to the main. We're not going to be able to jump over that into the main. It's going to run right into that sucker. So we're going to come back from there and get a look at the rest of the line. This is 6-inch diameter concrete pipe. Coming back from that spot there. Got some cracking there at the top of that pipe as well. Relatively aggregate along the bottom, just from years and years of sewage running over it.
Which is there's no bottom of the pipe anymore.
Eventually, yes. And it's really hard to tell where you are in that process, but the cracking at the top and the age would tell me you're pretty far along. I'm trying to see where we're going, changing diameter size here, because once it gets out of the back onto your property, it'll go into 4-inch diameter, same size as this guy here.
So where's your length indicator at? Oh, there it is.
27 feet back from the main.
Oh, you zeroed it at the main. I got you.
Here we're getting some separation, and it almost looks like 30 feet's generally right around where that diameter shift is. And that's what looks like's happening right there. So let's go locate this spot real quick. I'll be right back. Run around the side there. That's why that downspout out. Yeah, I kept thinking it was wrapping. Right there. From there out to the existing structure, that was installed by the city. That was installed by whoever built the houses. So then why do they transition down to corner? It's always open. It's every house, it's all the original plumbing.
It's all done the same way.
Yeah, everybody's the same. Okay, we've got that 4x6 located. Looks like we've got 31 feet or so of, and then you can see, yeah, we've come back into smaller diameter pipe right there. So 31 feet of 6-inch. Go for, back from there. Rock in the line there.
Could be worse.
Yeah. Cracking along the top.
Yeah.
See it starting to crack.
Oh,
There's your downspout tie-in right
oh,
there.
yeah.
So let's locate that.
But that's probably where the problem is, where things are hanging up.
Possibly.
8 feet deep right there, and that connection.
Kind of makes sense. Where that is, anyway.
Yep.
You know, comes out of the downspout, heads to the street.
Yep. Heads up.
So now.
So
okay,
yeah,
so
this
that's
is-
coming in from the top.
Yep. So we should see that broken section here. Yeah, so you're missing the whole bottom of the pipe. See that?
Yeah.
That's why we're having a tough time getting
and
through
you're
there.
going into the earth.
You're
right
just
there.
going into dirt, yeah. The whole section of pipe.
Oh, let's see. Oh, so I see that.
That
So
right
the
side of the pipe's
Yeah.
collapsed. It's kind of what you're talking about. I mean, that bottom eventually just wears out, and then
Yeah.
you're running over dirt, and it's pulling soil into the pipe.
Yeah.
And it's eroding everything away, and then that's why
Yeah.
I've got this kind of settled section with collapse.
Oh, and the fact that the downspout is right there gives you the.
Probably dumping on top of the pipe and
Yeah.
just wearing it out even more. It's all mud through there.
Right there.
That's why we're struggling so much to get any kind of
Yeah.
cleaning action.
Interesting. Okay. So there's a technology that allows you to install a pipe in a pipe, like an epoxy blow-in thing.
Yep. That's what I'm going to start yapping to you about.
Yeah.
All right, I'm going to end the video first here. So there we're at. So we got, we'll call it 29 feet of 4-inch diameter line and 31 feet of 6-inch diameter line.
Makes sense.
I'm going to end that video.